Hey everyone and welcome back to Kaizen Spirit. So I'm going to start today's video by asking you a question. Do you know the meaning of loss aversion? Take a moment, pause the video, do a Google search and you will get a simple idea. So let me just explain you. Let me ask you if you are excited to gain 100 rupees in a certain scenario or more afraid to lose 100 rupees in the same scenario. Well, if you think carefully, you will know the answer. Most people, in fact, it is human nature to be more afraid about their losses than more excited about gaining the same amount of money. Well, that is fine because let's say for a millionaire, losing 100 rupees or 1,000 rupees is not much. They can easily afford to lose. Let's say they have a situation where they want to bet something, so 1,000 rupees is fine. They will be willing to take that bet if they think it is valuable, and even if they lose 1,000 rupees, it is fine for them. But for someone who is earning 10,000 rupees monthly, for them losing 1,000 rupees is a lot. It is 10% of their total income. So in that case, they won't be willing to bet 1,000 rupees even if they had the chance to earn 1,000 rupees or even 2,000 rupees. Okay, they will not be betting their 1,000 rupees, and that is fine. So it depends on the situation where you are in your life. It depends on your position, if you are a millionaire or if you are someone who is earning 10,000 rupees. So accordingly, the value of 1,000 rupees will be defined by you. Okay, and both the approach is fine. Neither is correct, neither is wrong. Okay, it depends on the person who is going to face the situation. Now this was about money. Now let's talk about time. So few days back, I heard a quote. It says that greedy people accumulate things like they are going to live forever, and they eat like they are going to die tomorrow. So think about it carefully and you will get to know that this is actually true for most human beings that we meet or that we know of. Okay, so people fight a lot for money, for land, for all these things because they do not know when their end is coming. Okay, and that is also by nature. Okay, and when it comes to eating, people eat a lot these days. The lifestyle of people have really changed, and the unhealthy lifestyle is actually spreading. We know this fact. Obesity is increasing, and we know that people are obviously breaking their limit, their capacity up to which their body can digest the food, and they obviously go beyond that because food is tasty these days. That's why people do not care about their health and they forget the limit. So this is about their health and also accumulating wealth. Okay, now coming to time. So most people you will see today are, in fact 90% of the people do not care about time. They waste time on random things, stupid things a lot because they think they have unlimited amount of time. And also these days distractions are widely available everywhere. It is everywhere. Okay, starting from social media to other medium of other medium which consumes your times. It is abundant in nature and you have a lot of things. When you get involved into it, it will keep draining your time and energy, and you will not get to know about it unless it has consumed 1 to 2 hours. So by the end of that, you will be exhausted mentally. So that is how our time is wasted, and people who are not aware of the value of time, they keep on wasting like this and they think it is normal. They try to normalize it, they try to justify it, and they try to make it a part of their life. But let me just ask you, if you lose 100 rupees today and if you have the chance to gain 100 rupees tomorrow, can you do that? Can you earn by any means, let's say by salary, by business, just 100 rupees? Can you gain it? Yes, you definitely can. Not only 100 rupees, if you lose 100 rupees tomorrow, by some way or the other, if you have enough skills, you will definitely gain 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees. Yes, that's true. We know that everyone can do it who has little bit of skills. You don't need hi-fi skills even if you have little bit of skill. Now let me ask you, if you waste 10 minutes now, can you just earn 1 second extra for your life? Just 1 second. Can you earn that back? Well, the answer is no. That's why we say that time and tide waits for none. So we know that time cannot be purchased. No matter how rich you are, if you are a millionaire, billionaire, it does not matter. Okay, you cannot buy even just 1 second of your life, but you can definitely buy more money that you have lost, or even much more than that. So that answers the simple question, which you should value more, time or money? Well, In my opinion, both these things are valuable. But let's say you are in a position in life where you can afford to lose some amount of money or spend some amount of money in buying time, which you are going to utilize for doing something great, something better, which you know is valuable. Then definitely in that case you should value time more than money, and you should spend that extra money which can buy you some time, because you are going to utilize that time in doing something which is more valuable for you and your life. Okay, but if you are someone who does not know what to do with extra time, for you should value time, because in both the ways you are going to lose. Okay, you are spending extra money in getting something done by someone, but also the time saved in that you are not utilizing in doing anything valuable. So money is wasted, time is also wasted. And if it continues, if you continue this thing, you are going to lose a lot of money in a certain period of time, and you are going to lose a lot of time also and develop a bad habit of losing both time and money going forward. So that is why in that case you should value money. Okay, so these are the two scenarios, and I hope you got the point what I am trying to say, that time is definitely more precious, and we should, even if you do not know what to do with our extra time or what to do with the time that we have, we should try to learn how to utilize our time in developing better habits which will help us in developing skills. And skills can give you many ways in which you can earn more, and in that way you are also gaining the money that you are losing in certain cases. Okay, let's say in a scenario you are spending some extra money in getting things done by someone, that, as I have already explained, you can gain it back when you have that skill set, right? So that is all about today's video, time versus money, and I hope this video helped you in improving yourself or improving or developing your mindset by just 1% at least. And if yes, please hit the like button and subscribe to Kaizen Spirit for more such videos. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye. Take care.